There's a sweet little like nature trail right here that I found, and I'm just hiking up it right now to see where it takes me. And right now I'm just in the middle of some mountain. Check it out. It's very jungle-like. There's a lot of bugs. I'm gonna have to watch my step. I don't know what kind of snakes or lizards or anything there are here. So there's some pine trees and stuff, which I didn't expect. Might have to look for a pine cone. But I don't know if they have any big enough. Alright, hope the video is not too shaky, but I'm hiking up this mountain right now. Jeez, this is nice though. There's a weird little abandoned hut right here. I don't know what the hell that's for. Damn it, bugs! I think the funniest part of all this is that I still have Wi-Fi up here. Look at that butterfly thing. Alright. Now I'm gonna take another video when I get to the top.